Okay, so this is session 2, and it's about selecting the right AI tool. Today in 2024, there's probably 50 plus different AI tools that you can use. And one of the things with AI is that unless you tell it specifically what you want, it might not give you what you want, the type of results that you're looking for. So picking up the right AI tool is going to make a difference on how your results or the outcome is going to come. From my own experience, I've been using ChatGPT, and has been very easy and simple, and it's very updated to what Wix is doing right now. So it's really good. And the best part is that you can create also your own agent, and that's what we talk about in the module 3. So this is gonna be between 2 and 3 modules or sessions. So as you can see here, I name it W Epic Solutions, and pretty much I feed all the information that I needed. I'm gonna show you how to do it. But what's gonna be the big difference between using just the regular ChatGPT versus creating your own agent is how you're gonna request things. So for example, if you're using the regular ChatGPT without having to create an agent, that's totally fine. It's gonna work the same. But the only difference is when you're gonna start your prompts. So this is gonna be key. Whenever you're gonna start having to code anything for your functionalities or website, you wanna start with create a Velo by Wix code, and then that's how you gotta start it, because it's gonna know to create that code specifically for Velo and Wix. So if you don't do this, most likely it's just gonna create something for HTML or JavaScript or something else that's not, which technically Velo is JavaScript, but in a different way. So again, you gotta be very specific to tell it that it's Velo by Wix code. So that way, for example, I go into, I have an input element, okay, which this is gonna also go to learning the terms and fields. So again, don't pay attention to this part, but just kind of giving an idea of what it's gonna do. ID 2023, and then I want it to display the label success. Okay, so because I specify that I want it to be Velo by Wix, you're gonna notice right away it created this. And the best part about ChatGPT, I would say, is that it gives you an exact structure of what you need to do, right? So it tells you, okay, here's an example. Ensure that your ID is this, which we're gonna go through everything once we start adding the code. But again, just wanna show you the main differences. Now, when I go to my own agent, I can just do exactly the same thing. Input ID 2222, have it display success in the label, and then it's gonna already start creating the code. Didn't have to give it any other instructions, and it's been very specific. So as you can see here, even the explanation is a little bit different, because this agent has a database that reads, and that's how it comes up with its own answers as well. So let's go into creating our own agent. So first thing is, you do have to have a premium plan for this one, which I think right now it's like $20. I'm not sure if the price is gonna go up or lower, but once you have your your plan, you gotta go to my GPTs. Once you're here, you're gonna have this button that says create a GPT, okay? And then right here is gonna give you this option. So you wanna click configure. You can add your own logo right here. So you can upload a logo or use DALL-E, and it will just create your own logo. Then you're gonna name your GPT, so you can name it boss code Velo. I don't know, something that you wanna come up with. And then on the description, this is where on the file that I'm gonna have attached to the class, you're gonna be able to copy the description, the instructions, and on the conversation starters as well. You can also change them. And then once you go into upload files, this is where you're gonna upload all the PDFs that I'm gonna give you. And that's it. Once you do that, then you can just create new action, and then you can preview. Once you do that, you just gonna press create, and that's it. And now you have your own agent and you're ready to go. So you can see here, I have a few that I created, and you can make them public or keep them for yourself. The best part is that you can feed it any data you want just through a PDF. And that's how you're gonna be able to train it or have it do specific things based on those items.